Imagine a city where modern life meets a rich history, where the sea whispers tales of the past and the sun paints an everlasting summer glow. Welcome to Vasa, Finland, a city that is best experienced through a walking tour. This Finnish gem, perched on Suomi's western coast, is home to roughly 67,000 souls and is a unique fusion of contemporary vibrancy and age-old tradition. As we journey through Vasa, expect to find a dynamic cityscape that seamlessly intertwines with a natural panorama of stunning beauty. Just as if you were visiting Helsinki, Vasa's personality is as vibrant as it is diverse. Here, the hum of modern life harmoniously blends with the rhythm of nature, creating an enchanting city sounds that are best experienced with 3D audio. From bustling markets and innovative businesses to cutting-edge education institutions, and from serene parks to tranquil beaches and quiet, picturesque islands, you'll find it all in Vasa, our beloved city in Finland. Vasa becomes even more special with Christmas in Finland, where the city is draped in a warm, festive glow. But Vasa is not just a city of the present. Its past, present, and future are woven into a captivating tapestry that speaks to the heart of every traveler, especially on a winter's day in Europe. Be it the Finland weather, which ranges from snowy winters to mild summers, or the majestic Lapland Finland hotels, a city walk in Vasa is an experience in itself. So come, visit Finland, visit Vasa, a city where the Finnish last name is proudly worn and where the heart of the Finnish west coast lies. Experience the binaural audio of the city, soak in the ambiance of winter in Finland, and let Vasa, Finland, be your next travel destination. The tale of Vasa is one that dates back centuries, etched into every corner of the city. Founded in the early 17th century, in 1606 to be exact, Vasa began as a small Swedish outpost on the western coast of Finland. Over time, the city expanded, becoming a bustling port and trading hub, its streets echoing with the sounds of progress and prosperity. But like any city with a history as rich as Vasa's, it's had its fair share of trials. The most significant of these happened on a fateful August day in 1852. A fire, started by a spark in a baker's oven, swept through the city, reducing much of it to ashes. The Great Fire of Vasa, as it's now known, was a pivotal moment in the city's history. However, the people of Vasa were not deterred. They rebuilt their city, brick by brick, creating a new Vasa that was even more vibrant and resilient than before. The city rose from the ashes, literally and figuratively, and the new city center was moved closer to the sea, thus facilitating trade and growth. In the historic heart of Vasa, you can still see remnants of the city's past. The old Vasa, with its charming houses and cobblestone streets, transports visitors back to a different era. The Court of Appeal, one of the oldest buildings in Finland, stands as a testament to Vasa's past, its stately facade a striking reminder of the city's legal history. And then there's the Vasa Market Square, a bustling hub of activity where the city's past and present intersect. From the historic buildings that line the square to the modern shops and restaurants that fill them, it's a place where you can experience the city's evolution firsthand. The past of Vasa is a testament to the city's resilience, a story of rebirth preserved within the city's historic heart. It's a city that embraces its history, not as something to be forgotten, but as a foundation on which to build an even brighter future. Beyond its history, Vasa is a vibrant cultural hub, a melting pot of Finnish, Swedish, and Sami influences. This dynamic city, nestled on the west coast of Finland, is a testament to the nation's bilingual status. Finnish and Swedish languages harmoniously coexist here, echoing in the city's streets, schools, and offices, painting a picture of unity amidst diversity. The Swedish influence in Vasa is not only confined to language, it permeates the city's architecture, food, and traditions, creating a unique cultural fusion that sets Vasa apart. From the quaint cobblestone streets lined with Swedish-style buildings to the delectable Swedish pastries served in local cafes, you can see, taste, and feel the Swedish touch in every nook and cranny of this charming city. Vasa's cultural tapestry, however, is not solely woven with Finnish and Swedish threads. The city is also home to several cultural attractions that showcase the rich and diverse heritage of the region. The Vasa City Art Gallery, for instance, is a treasure trove of contemporary art, featuring works by local and international artists that reflect the city's creative spirit. Another jewel in Vasa's cultural crown is the Ostrobothnian Museum. This multidisciplinary museum offers a glimpse into the region's past, present, and future, boasting collections that span natural history, art, and cultural history. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the wonders of Ostrobothnia, from its ancient forests to its vibrant cityscapes. Vasa's cultural scene also comes alive through its events. The Vasa Choir Festival, a biennial event, gathers choirs from all over the world, filling the city with the harmonious sounds of various cultures. It's an auditory feast, a celebration of unity through music, reflecting Vasa's ethos of embracing diversity. In Vasa, every street, every corner hums with a rich cultural melody, a symphony of tradition and diversity. It's a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its cultural tapestry, to explore, to learn, and to experience the world from a different perspective. It's a city that, despite its modest size, leaves a grand impression, weaving a story that's as diverse, vibrant, and captivating as its cultural mosaic. Vasa is a city that promises a multitude of experiences, a city where adventure awaits around every corner. In the heart of the city, the Kvarken archipelago beckons. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is more than just a cluster of islands. It's a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of nature. Here, the land rises from the sea at an astonishing pace, creating a landscape that's ever-changing, ever-evolving. The archipelago is a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, with thousands of species making their home here. But the natural wonders of Vasa don't stop at the water's edge. The city is home to the Meteorihi, a science center that offers a journey to the stars. Here, you can explore the mysteries of the universe, learn about the cosmos, and even touch a real meteorite. It's an experience that's as enlightening as it is entertaining, a true testament to Vasa's commitment to education and discovery. As you explore the city, don't forget to stop by the Vasa Market Square. This bustling hub is the perfect place to immerse yourself in the local culture. Whether you're sampling traditional Finnish delicacies, browsing through handcrafted goods, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, the market square is an experience not to be missed. But the city isn't all hustle and bustle. Vasa also boasts a variety of parks and reserves, places where you can unwind, reconnect with nature, and enjoy some peace and tranquility. Whether you're strolling through the verdant Onkulahti Park, exploring the exotic plants in the Klemetila greenhouses, or hiking through the undulating landscapes of the Pilvilampi Nature Reserve, you'll find plenty of opportunities to escape the city and lose yourself in the great outdoors. Each attraction in Vasa is a new story waiting to be discovered, a new adventure waiting to be embarked upon. So, whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a culture vulture, Vasa has something for everyone. It's a city that's as diverse as it is captivating, a city that's waiting to share its secrets with you. But the true magic of Vasa lies in its hidden gems, those little-known spots that offer an authentic taste of the city. While the grand attractions of Vasa are undoubtedly mesmerizing, there's a unique allure in the city's lesser-known corners. The local food scene, for instance, is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. From the aromatic loaves of traditional Finnish rye bread to the succulent flavors of freshly caught fish, the local markets are a feast for the senses. And let's not forget about Vasa's candy factories, where the enchanting smell of sweet licorice fills the air. Venture a little further, and you'll stumble upon the charming fishing villages that dot the coastline. Here, you can witness the simple yet fulfilling lives of the locals, their boats bobbing gently in the water, their nets laden with the day's catch. These villages, with their quaint houses and welcoming locals, offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Vasa. The city also boasts a network of beautiful walking trails, a paradise for nature lovers. These trails meander through dense forests, alongside serene lakes and up rolling hills, offering breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding landscapes. The trails are not only a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts, but they also serve as a reminder of the harmonious relationship between Vasa and its natural environment. And then there are the countless hidden art galleries and boutiques, tucked away in unexpected corners, waiting to be discovered. These spaces showcase the creativity and talent of the local artisans, and they're the perfect place to pick up a unique souvenir. In these hidden gems, there's a certain stillness, a certain charm that's distinctly Vasa. They compel you to slow down, to observe, to immerse yourself in the moment. They make you feel a part of the city, not just a visitor passing through. In its hidden corners and quiet streets, Vasa reveals its true charm, a city that invites you to explore, to discover, and to fall in love. As our journey through Vasa comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect on the enchanting allure of this Finnish city. In the heart of the city, we've walked through centuries of history, feeling the echoes of the past in the cobblestone streets of Old Vasa. The city's resilience and spirit shine through in the beautifully restored buildings, a testament to its rebirth after the devastating fire of the mid-18th century. We've experienced the rich cultural tapestry of Vasa, a city that embraces its roots while looking to the future. The vibrant art scene is a testament to this, with galleries, museums, and festivals that celebrate both local and international talent. Vasa's unique blend of Swedish and Finnish influences create a cultural mosaic that is as diverse as it is captivating. Our journey has taken us to some truly unforgettable attractions. From the awe-inspiring Kvarken Archipelago, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the fascinating exhibits of the Ostrobothnian Museum. These experiences have brought us closer to understanding the unique charm of Vasa, a city that marries the wonders of nature with the allure of human history. And let's not forget the hidden gems of Vasa, the places that don't make the front page of travel guides, but are just as integral to the city's charm. The tranquil parks, the lively local markets, the cozy cafes tucked away in unexpected corners, these are the places that make Vasa feel like a home away from home. In each chapter of our journey, we have discovered a different facet of Vasa, each more enchanting than the last. This city is not just a destination, but a story that unfolds with every step, a tapestry woven from centuries of history, culture, and natural beauty. A city of history, of culture, of stunning natural beauty, a city that promises unforgettable experiences. This is Vasa, a gem on the Finnish west coast. Until our next journey, goodbye.